Hello, I am Rokonuzzaman, a professional graphic designer certified in National Skill Development Authority. I am an expert in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Since 2020, I have been creating high quality conversion focused design for various brand and e-commerce business across both local and international marketplace. My specialties includes Amazon product listing design, e-commerce product design, product infography and lifestyle image, social media design and brand identity. I don't just create a design, I create a powerful visuals that help brand present their product more professionally and stand out in the market. A big part of my design process is understanding your brand and researching your product. So, if we are looking for professional and high quality design for your product, I would be happy to help with your project. Let's work together.